Hello everyone, I am Lavanya from 10th standard. Today we deliver a debate about traditional life and modern life. The participants of traditional life are Aarti, Rupadarsha, Srinidhi, and the participants of modern life are Divya, Akshaya, Bhavastri. Life has never been perfect and it likely never will be. The most important things we can do is learn from our mistakes and try to correct them. Choosing one particular way to live and sticking with it is not wise, is nor will it lead to perfection. Did you all know what is the difference between traditional life and modern life? Yes. Traditional refers to those societies or elements of societies that are small scale derived from indigenous and often ancient cultural practices. Modern refers to those practices that is related to industrial mode of production or the development of small scale often colonial societies. These coexist in the world today.
Let me come to the topic. Now I am here to convey the message in modern life, education, food, occupation. Education. The education which is taught today in the school is modern education, right? In modern education, assignment or work can send through online. The education which is required today is the modern education. In addition to listening, the modern education includes writing, visualizing, imagining and thinking skills. Food. Nowadays, people choose modern food, right? Because it's easy to serve and no need to wait for a long time. Occupation. In modern occupation is a new way of working, empowering productivity, creativity and teamwork. Placing employees at center when thinking about the technology. These are my points related to modern life in education, food, occupation. Now we are in modern life, but respect to tradition is it in our heart.
I am here to oppose my opponent Divya's message. I am Aarti Venkateshan. I am in the class of 10th standard. She says modern education which has sent by online through the online which has more side effects using of mobile phone. In traditional education there are more impositions, no matters or methods. The traditional education is far from the technological. She said that modern foods are easier to prepare which makes time faster. For what purpose we are earning money? To be live. So we have to spend our time with our eatings and self-respects. So we have to spend our time which makes to our healthy and the real foods nutritions are in the traditional food. So please avoid the modern foods. She says occupation which makes teamwork. In tradition we have do the agriculture which makes purpose of eating which makes occupation of rotation of eating and doing occupation. There is no one is going to buy foods or some other from the shops. They itself own their food in their farm and we have to save the agriculture, we have to follow the agriculture. Agriculture is the 66% and this is our backbone of our country. And if the misleader of India is the traditional life which has already has done, and I think modern life is the which has we already do and they have invented just of instead of new, and technologies has all starting point from the traditional life. Thank you.
I am Akshaya Murugesan. I am here to speak about modern culture, modern games and modern lifestyle. According to modern games, nowadays more children spend time playing modern games compared with traditional games. Modern games are usually played on electronic device such as computers and smartphones, etc. Nowadays, children learning in fun manner. For example, we have a world building games which make them to improve their English skills too. Modern games play children computer skills and enhancement that is much needed now. According to lifestyle, the modern lifestyle has a number of advantages which includes easing people's life by the new development of technology. It will give you enjoyment and teach us to bold, confident and smart. Some advantages of modern lifestyle. Availability of medicines, more freedom. The lifestyle has indeed brought a lot of freedom than before. Be it men or women, every gender is equal in most societies. According to modern culture, in modern culture, we are celebrating a festival at our home safely. With improving technologies and health increase, tolerance and opportunity come together with others. Culture enhances that our quality of life.
Hello everyone, I am Rupadarsha from 10th standard. I am in the team of Traditional Life and I am going to talk about lifestyle of tradition. Traditional lifestyle of indigenous people is commonly accepted their way of life and their living. Traditional lifestyle of indigenous people is commonly accepted their way of life and their specific livelihood based on historical experience of their sphere of land and natural resource use, traditional social organization of their communities, unique culture, continuous practice of the tradition, religion and belief. According to Game, Akshaya said that we are nowadays children spending time with playing the modern games. The effect of this addiction is children don't want to interact with the environment. This is clearly dangerous for their mental health too. Traditional lives provide benefit to children by giving them more space to interact with the environment. In addition, traditional games provide physical activities that improve children's to gains sports skills. There are many interesting games in traditional games like kabaddi, cricket, hide and seek, snake and ladders and so on. These are the interesting games and brain games too. In festivals, we are following the before generation festivals like Diwali, Pongal, Navaratri and etc. We celebrate Pongal in fields to make tribute to cows and farmers. In this time, we join together and enjoy, celebrate the festivals. And these are my points from traditional life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Bhavasri from 10th standard. I am here to support modern life in the subtopics of transport, clothes and medicine. According to me, modern transport are used to save time comparing to olden days. In modern life, we invented electrical scooty which provides or emitted less number of pollution, and our mode of transport is safest mode which provides convenience to the people too. And we can transport goods and heavy loads with the help of heavy load carrying vehicles easily like cargoes and goods train. So let me come to the topic of clothes. We have different kinds of clothes like synthetic, silk, cotton, etc. And our mode of clothes are easy to wear, and it's proved by research that wearing modern clothes can build your confidence too. And important medicine, modern way of treatment is saving hundreds of lives by new development of vaccines, treatments. We can see that in this pandemic situations too. I am appreciating all doctors. And we have a facility of scannings and x-rays which can diagnose in which part the disease is affected. That's very useful for us too. And in olden days, if the patient is serious, we need to take the patient and run to hospital. But now if we dial 108, ambulance will come to our door, and while on traveling too, we can take the treatment. So according to me, I prefer modern life. I conclude that for a country's development, modernization is must.
Hello everyone, I am Srinidhi from 10th standard. Now I am going to oppose Bhavasri's points that modern life, transport, clothes and medicine in the traditional life transport. In traditional life, the transport, she said that in modern life it saves the time to one place to another, but how long the speed of vehicle is moving, that much of pollution will make, and we can reduce to move nearby places by the vehicles. It will make much pollutions. So we can reduce to move, we can move by the cycle, by walk also. In the transportation, we are using now container, lorries and all. We can reduce to move by the sea route, it is reduce the pollution. Then medicines. In home itself, there are more plants to cure the diseases. In ancient time, there is no hospitals and all. There are more facilities to check our body. We can reduce to move hospital for small illness. We can ask to the grandma, grandpa, elders for the medicinal plants to cure the diseases.
They all convey their messages. So I think that they both are important. Although nowadays people prefer to live modern style of life, but it is more essential to understand that our traditional are also important. Being modern can highlight you in the public. Modernity will give you enjoyment and to become confident, bold and smart. Traditional, on the other hand, give calmness and peace. I can surely tell that they both are important, that elements to lead an happy and successful life. It does not matter if your lifestyle is modern or traditional. If a house had a good feel to it, it will be always a home. Thank you.